Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of what I like to call living art. We're talking about plants that do more than just sit in a corner. They completely transform a space, adding a touch of luxury and sophistication that's hard to replicate. Think of them as the designer handbag or the statement watch of the interior design world. These aren't just any plants, they are architectural marvels, living sculptures that elevate your home from nice to absolutely stunning. Ready to turn your living room into a lush, high-end sanctuary? Let's get started. First up, we have the undisputed king of dramatic foliage, the fiddle-leaf fig, or Ficus lyrata. You've probably seen this beauty gracing the pages of every interior design magazine, and for good reason. Its large, violin-shaped leaves have a deep, glossy green color and a unique, leathery texture that just screams opulence. What makes the fiddle-leaf fig so luxurious is its bold, structural form. It's not a plant that just blends in, it demands attention. When you place a tall, well-cared-for fiddle-leaf fig in a room, it instantly draws the eye upward, creating a sense of height and grandeur, much like a piece of statement art or a grand chandelier. It has this incredible ability to fill vertical space, making your ceilings feel higher and the room feel more open and airy. Imagine it in a minimalist living room, standing tall next to a sleek sofa or greeting guests in a grand entryway. Its sculptural presence adds a layer of organic sophistication that feels both natural and incredibly chic. It's a classic for a reason, and if you can provide it with the bright, indirect light it craves, you'll have a showstopper for years to come. Next on our list is a plant that brings a touch of the exotic and architectural flair, the bird of paradise, or Strelitzia nicolai. Don't confuse this with the smaller, flowering variety. We're talking about the giant white bird of paradise. This plant is all about creating a lush, tropical, resort-like vibe right in your own home. Its massive, banana-like leaves fan out in a majestic way, creating a stunning silhouette that feels both wild and elegant. The sheer scale of these leaves is what contributes to its luxurious feel. They can grow to be several feet long, creating a dense, green canopy that makes you feel like you've been transported to a five-star Bali resort. It's a statement piece that works wonders in large, open-plan spaces. Placed in a corner, it can create a beautiful leafy backdrop for a reading nook or dining area. The way the light filters through its giant leaves creates beautiful patterns and shadows, adding depth and interest to the room. It's a fast grower, too, which is incredibly rewarding. With the right care, lots of bright light and consistent watering, you can watch it transform a plain corner into a tropical paradise, bringing that permanent vacation feeling into your daily life. Moving on to something a little different, let's talk about the olive tree. For centuries, the olive tree has been a symbol of peace, wisdom, and abundance, and bringing one indoors captures that timeless Mediterranean elegance. There's a subtle, understated luxury to an indoor olive tree. Its slender gray-green leaves and delicate silvery foliage create a light, airy feel that is incredibly sophisticated. Unlike the bold, tropical plants, the olive tree's beauty is in its refinement. It brings a sense of old-world charm and rustic sophistication, reminiscent of a sun-drenched Italian villa or a chic farmhouse in Provence. Its delicate branches and sparse leaves allow light to pass through so it doesn't overwhelm a space. Instead, it adds a touch of nature that feels calm, organic, and incredibly high-end. Paired with natural materials like terracotta, linen, and light wood, an olive tree can complete a beautifully curated, minimalist, or bohemian luxe aesthetic. It's a plant that tells a story, one of history, nature, and simple, enduring beauty. It's the perfect choice for someone who appreciates a more subtle and sophisticated approach to luxury. Now, let's get a bit more dramatic with the alocasia, particularly varieties like the poly or black velvet. These are the jewels of the plant world. Alocasias are known for their striking, often otherworldly leaves. The poly, with its deep green arrow-shaped leaves and contrasting bright white veins, looks like it was painted by an artist. The black velvet has leaves that are so dark they're almost black, with a rich, velvety texture that you just want to touch. What makes alocasias feel so luxurious is their rarity and their intricate, detailed beauty. They are like living sculptures. The sharp angles, the dramatic color contrasts, and the unique textures are unlike anything else. They are not background plants. They are focal points. A single well-placed alocasia on a console table, a bookshelf, or a plant stand becomes an instant conversation starter. It's like displaying a piece of precious jewelry. It draws you in and commands you to admire its details. This plant adds a touch of modern, edgy elegance to a space. It shows a certain level of connoisseurship and an appreciation for the unique and the beautiful, which is the very essence of luxury. Finally, we can't have a list of luxury plants without mentioning the queen of variegation, the Monstera albo variegata. This plant is the ultimate status symbol in the houseplant community, and its price tag often reflects that. But what makes it so special? It's all about those stunning patches of pure white variegation splashed across its iconic split leaves. Each leaf is a unique work of art, a one-of-a-kind masterpiece created by nature. The contrast between the deep green and the stark, creamy white is absolutely breathtaking. Having a Monstera albo is like owning a piece of rare, collectible art. Its rarity and the unpredictable nature of its variegation make it highly sought after. It's a plant that makes a bold statement about your dedication and passion for botanicals. It immediately elevates any room it's in, adding a bright graphic element that is both modern and incredibly chic. It thrives in bright, indirect light, and seeing a new, highly variegated leaf unfurl is one of the most exciting experiences for a plant parent. It's a true showstopper that signifies a deep appreciation for the rare and beautiful things in life. So there you have it. 5 incredible plants that can instantly add a touch of luxury and sophistication to your home. From the bold architectural fiddle-leaf fig to the rare painterly Monstera albo, each of these plants brings its own unique character to a space. They act as living sculptures, improve air quality, and bring a sense of life and vitality that you just can't get from anything else. Investing in one of these statement plants is investing in the beauty and atmosphere of your home. They are more than just decor. They are an experience. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more tips on elevating your home with plants, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.